Stress and grinding your teeth, a clenching connection. Have you ever noticed yourself grinding your teeth when you're feeling overstressed? It's a common habit, though it has a lot of after effects over your teeth. They can lead to teeth wear down and even breakage and damage of teeth, jaw pain due to constant muscle ache and tension over the muscles. If you think you might be clenching your teeth, talk to your dentist. They may recommend treatments like night guards to help protect your teeth and also relax your jaw muscle. So next time you're feeling stressed, try healthy ways to manage it. Your teeth will thank you. And schedule an appointment with your dentist today to discuss your clenching habits and to explore all the possible treatments.